Hello, my name is Henson. Welcome to Geoweaver. Um, Geoweaver is a workflow management software for scientists, especially researchers who are working on distributed environment. If you are working on some institutional servers, AWS EC2 instances, or Jupyter notebooks served somewhere else, or you are managing a bunch of different various code experiment on your local machine, you could benefit from Geoweaver. So if you open the GitHub and search Geoweaver, it will show up as the, please look at the main master branch is under the ESIP Federation. If you go to this page, you will see everything, all the source code here, because it's open source MIT license project. If you scroll down, the first section, you will see a content table. And in the content table, if you click on quick install, you will see a very simple tutorial about how to install Geoweaver on your local machine. So I will demonstrate how to install Geoweaver on Windows machine today. My machine right now is a Windows 10, and I think it will work for other latest version of Windows as well. You have to download the latest version of Geoweaver.jar. So first thing, you have to make sure that Java is installed on your machine. It's recommended to be Java 11 or up. So to make sure that all the source code is compliant with your environment. If you click on the Geoweaver jar, and there is a file downloading table dialog, you click on Save File and save it to the download folder. Because I already downloaded, so I click Yes to download it again. Next step is you want to open the command line, which is the command prompt in Windows. And in other operating system like Mac or Linux, you can open your terminal as well. So let's go to where the Geoweaver.jar is downloading. To go to that folder, download. And the next thing is you want to execute this command. So it's pretty simple. It's actually running this jar using Java command. Let's copy this command, paste it here using click on the right button and press enter. You can see that the Geoweaver is starting. It's developed based on the Spring, so you can see the Spring is here. The whole process will take about 5 seconds or no more than 10 seconds. And once it's finished, it will automatically open Geoweaver in your browser. No matter which default browser you are using, it will open that in the same place. You can see that Geoweaver is running on my browser. That means we already have the Geoweaver installed on this machine. Congratulations. So Geoweaver is a very powerful tool. It's actually can do a lot of things. If you go to the SSH server, you will see a local host, probably because this is the only default host. You can add any other host you are working with. Like click this button, you can select SSH, Jupyter, Lab, Hub, and Notebook server, or even the Google Search engine. You can input all the information here and start managing them. The default host is, of course, the machine where the Geoweaver is installed. There is several buttons you can interact with this machine through them. And the thing I want to demonstrate is a very simple example of the Hello World Python code. If you click create a new process, which is actually a source code file, let's say Hello World. First, you have to select the process type. We support the shell built in Jupyter and Python. Let's select Python. Create a hello world. Let's just simply print out hello world. and click End. You can see that the hello world process is appended to the Python code that is already existing. If you click on the hello world itself, you will see a window like this. And if you click this button, one of the benefits of the Geoweaver is you can run the code on any servers you select. It's not limited to which server it's residing. You can execute the code remotely through Geoweaver by selecting the servers you already registered. So let's just simply run it on the localhost. Click execute. Next step is you have to select the Python environment. And all this environment is automatically passed by the Geoweaver. If you go to the host panel, you will see that button. Anaconda Python and click confirm. Here we go. It's already finished. Hello world. That's it. And another amazing feature of the Geoweaver is it do not forget. So every time you execute your process, it remembers its history. You can see that I just executed this process one time. You can see when I execute and how it goes. Click this detail button, it will replicate the logs into the same window. You can see what's going on there. And then you can check the latest code and run it again. So let's just wrap up the presentation, the demo. So this is just a simple demo of the function, and there is a lot of more functions available there in the Geoweaver, and I believe you can benefit a lot from using this tool. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.